Hello everyone. So let's continue. So we were configuring our Ansible setup. So we have configured our control node, and in the control node we have simply installed the Ansible. Now let me click on client one, and here first elevate your privilege from normal user to root. So Ubuntu is a normal user which is having limited access to the system. So for the communication between control node to your client machine, I am going to use the normal user, that is Ubuntu, right? So here we have to do some changes with the SSH configuration file. That's why I have elevated my privilege. So I need to edit this file. And here I have to look for this parameter. That is public key authentication. Make it yes. And also you have to allow password authentication. Just save and come out. And also you have to do the changes in that file. Let me show you. In this location you will see one file which is started with number 60. Just edit this file, and it is showing password authentication no. Change it to yes. Save and come out. After that you have to restart the SSH service. System ctl restart SSH. Same you have to do it on the client 2 as well. Save. Let me go inside this location, and here we have this file which is started with number 60. So the default behavior, it says that nobody can access this system via username and password. So let me do the changes here, and after that you have to restart the SSH service. That's done. Now coming back here. Now what is next? The next is we have to create the host file, and in the host file you have to put the IP address of your client machine so that you can access your client machine using the name instead of the IP address. So friend, that's all. In the next lecture I'm going to continue from here.